Hello ladies and gentlemen, how is it going on? My name is Karmveer Sodhi and today I'm here to talk to you about my initial letter for my grade 11 second semester course, Chemistry. So for today I'm just going to be answering a couple of questions for my teacher and just express my opinion on it. So first, again, my name is Karmveer Sodhi and some of my interests are that I like playing baseball, I really enjoy working with kids, and hobbies like that would include playing video games, watching some TV, working on computers. Some of my strengths are that when I do presentations, I'm able to communicate with others and be clear and loud. And that means when I'm working with in groups too, I can collaborate with others, get to know more people, and basically get along with them and get the task done. Some of my weaknesses would be that sometimes I have trouble following my learning strategies that I will talk about later. As I remember last semester that when I did this, I really struggled with my learning strategy as I was not able to follow them and kind of had trouble committing to the course fully before, but not early, but I did after. So why did I decide to take chemistry? First of all, I wanted to expand my knowledge on chemistry as I really enjoyed it last year and I was able to do good in it, and I thought why not take it in grade 11 just to expand my knowledge on chemistry. I really enjoyed how we got to do a lot of labs. So hey, if I found that fun and if I find it interesting, why not take it again? So next question is that what is chemistry in my opinion? Well, chemistry of course is a study of matter, right? And how substances, each different substances, combine together or separate to make other substances. And the study of the interaction between those substances and the force that is in those reactions. And by force I mean like electronegativity, ion, ionize, ionization. I hope I pronounced that right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And identify different elements, compounds, and what do they combine to form. For example, what's the chemical formula for water, and that would be H2O. And they're basically defining different, let's just say substances and their chemical formula. So what do I want to achieve in this course? Well, of course I want to get a high mark, but again, I want to get a good mark that like I'm okay with and I'm able to maintain it next year too. But on top of that, I also want to actually learn something. I don't want to just memorize stuff and try to get through the course. I actually want to get, once I'm done this course, I want to have a better understanding of chemistry and what it's evolved around, and what it's around, and basically how it works with atoms and what they actually are, and again how they work. From this course, like let's see, um, again, get actually learning the units and understanding them, and not memorize them because again, if you do memorize them, eventually you're gonna forget them. But if you do understand them and you kind of pay attention in class, I'm guessing, ask your peers for help, and that goes for same with your teacher too, and that would be really helpful. And hopefully, I can try to set that as my goal and commit to it after, and hopefully get a high mark. And that's like my main goal right now. Um, what do I know about chemistry already? Well, again, I said I was able to do pretty good in chemistry last year, so. Bonds, I'm pretty good with bonds, so that includes ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and recently we just learned about polar and non-polar bonds, which were again really fun. Combust, no, different kind of bonds, I'm able to identify those, how they actually work, balancing equations, I remember that, and again, I know we do math problems in chemistry, but related to atoms, so it'd be nice to express some of my math skills in this course, which would hopefully help me excel in this course. What else do I know about chemistry? Well, combustibility, how that works, different types of atoms, physical properties, chemical properties, how they work, qualitative and quantitative measures. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But I don't know if that's enough, but hopefully well, I'm not able to list all of them, but hopefully it's enough to just give you a better understanding of what I'm about and what I already know. And hopefully that can help me do better in this course. The course just started, and I'm not doing too bad, and hopefully it stays that way and I'm able to improve even more. Couple of learning strategies that I'm going to try to use this semester and actually commit to them would be, first, do my homework. That's one of the major ones, and I've been so far trying to commit to it, and I have been doing my homework. Seeking my peers and teachers for help. I have been doing that again. What are some other learning strategies? Again, going back to my what do I want to learn? Understanding the content of the lesson that we do in class, not just memorizing them and just bomb the test. I don't want to do that, because I know on the test you got to talk about the main concept, which hopefully I will try to learn, or in better words, I would try to understand from the teacher. And if not, I would definitely ask more questions. Another big learning strategy would be, again, paying attention in class. And how would that overall help me with everything? Yeah, with everything else. So if I'm able to pay attention in class and get a understanding of the concept, again, that's going to help me with my homework, helping others, hopefully I can do that, and allowing others to correct me and basically improve my knowledge, learning from others. Finally, I'm just going to ask a couple of questions for my future closing letter for chemistry. Couple of questions I want to ask myself is, have you learned anything new? For biology, it was pretty good. But yeah, have I learned anything new? How are my marks? What am I going through right now? Because I remember from last semester at that closing letter time, it was a very stressful time for me, and hopefully not this semester. But what am I going through? What are the different units that we do in chemistry? I can't really think of what are the different things that we do except like bonds, but hopefully we do more things than that. Do I actually understand the different units? Have I been paying attention and following my learning strategies? And finally, how is my overall experience in this course? Like, did I find it interesting? Was I able to do what I needed to succeed? And hopefully get the mark that I want to get, or the mark that I'm hoping to get. Let me see if I need to talk about anything else. I think that covers it all, and that's pretty much it for me. This was my initial letter for chemistry, semester 2, grade 11, for Miss Tran, and I will see you guys in 4 months when I have to do my closing letter for this course, and I will answer those few questions and talk about more of my experiences throughout the course. Thank you and have a good night.